In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles on top of the video like this in Subtitle Edit. And this is a question that has been asked. So I'm sure what you have is, if you go to Options, Settings, and Video Player, I'm sure your video player is in Direct Show. And if I click on OK, the subtitles will be below the video. This is not what you want. You want them on top of the video, because if you're creating subtitles that you want to probably burn into your videos, you probably want to see where they'll appear. So if I click on this and go back to Options, Settings, Video Player, if it's your first time, you need to download mpvlib, but since I already have it, just select it here, and then you can make any changes you want here for the subtitle preview, the font size, either bold, opaque, etc. And this is for just the preview, and then click OK. Once you do that, come back, the subtitles are going to be on top of your video. Simply put, that's how you can put or show subtitles on top of your video in Subtitle Edit for preview purposes, how they're going to look like later on once you probably burn the subtitles to your videos, and so on and so forth. So thanks for watching, and thanks for asking that question.